Hey folks, I'm back for another video. Let me show you what I've been up to. Alright, so back here, let me get some light on the subject. So back here, I took out the air conditioner. I'll show you a picture of it when it was in. But I took out the air conditioner. I took out the lines. The only thing I have left there is the one wire harness. And I took the air conditioner compressor off right there. Cover, all the hoses. I think that's a condenser, and then maybe I'm not sure what that is either. But it's all been taken out. This right here was inside here, and I'll get you a better look right there. It was up inside of there. So now this is going to become a storage bay like my other side. But I'm going to extend it down further. Not sure how far yet, but not sure if the door's going to come all the way down or the bay itself. Probably, I'm not sure yet, because it'd be a big bay door. But anyhow, that's what I've been up to for the last little bit. And the trike is out, and hopefully getting ready to have some modifications done to the trailer. I'm gonna have metal cabinets put on the outside, so I can take a lot of the stuff I have on the inside and put it on the outside, and that frees up walking space on the inside. Makes it a little bit easier to load and unload the trike. But that's what I've been up to. I just wanted to do a quick video, let you know that I'm still alive and well. And right now I'm in Buchanan, Georgia. And in another couple of weeks, I'll head to Charleston, South Carolina to see some people I used to serve with. But anyhow, bus is doing great. Trailer's doing great. Life is doing good. Anyhow, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.